to like Barcelona today. I'm staying there for like 1.5 days. That's not much, but well, it's Barcelona. It's beautiful. So let's go. I'm still in France. I just took the train from Nice to Valence or something like that. Waiting for my next train, which will take me to Barcelona. I just have to wait here for like 1.5 hours, and then the train will be like 4 hours. And the train I just took was 4 hours. The 4 hours goes by so quickly, so that's no problem. So my Airbnb was like double booked and something went wrong, but I ended up in this hostel. It's pretty cool. Hostels I've been to until now has been like cheap, but this one is not that cheap. It's not the worst, but like you see here, it's so nice. It wasn't this nice in the other hostels. You can cover up, but it's so nice here. And as you can see in the other clip, it was so nice downstairs as well. It's so cool. So that the Airbnb got cancelled or fucked up is not that bad. I'm actually kind of glad, because now I can meet people and talk to people, and I couldn't do that in Airbnb in the same way. And it's so cool here, and they have like free walking tours and other stuff, and like a bar crawling, and yeah, that's cool. I'm happy. Now I'm just gonna go for a little walk and maybe get some food. There is like a bar crawl tonight, but I'm kind of tired after like 10 hours of traveling with train, and then 2 hours of like hostel and Airbnb trouble. So I don't know if I want to go out tonight, because like apparently they start at 9:30 or 10:30, and they aren't finished until like 3 in the morning or maybe later. So I'm like, I might be too tired, but we'll see what happens. Let's go out and see Barcelona. Hola, Barcelona. It's one of the many fountains. Seriously, getting around here is so crazy, because like Google Maps is telling me to go the wrong way, and the roads are crazier. Like they go in all different directions, and when you think you're going the right way, you're not. But I have a plan to go to Casa Baltico, and I hope I find it. I really wanted to see it the last time I were here, but I didn't, so let's go find it. So I just stumbled upon Casa Baltico. Oh my god, look at this. This is crazy. Such beautiful colors, and like the architecture is so fantastic. Just look at it. So weird. See like all of these buildings, like okay, that one is pretty, but all like the normal buildings, and then you got this one, And even though it's like 8 o'clock in the evening, there's a lot of people here and people are waiting in line to get in. Because as you can see, there are people inside. But it's so beautiful, but I don't want to go in. I think I'm just gonna go back to the hostel and grab something to eat and take a nice long sleep and start fresh and early tomorrow. Okay, so I got a girl to take a photo of me in front of this, and this is what happened. Who are these strangers? This is so weird, but so fun. Rest of the night I just spent some time down in the common area and got to know some new people. And this was seriously one of the best nights on my Interrail trip. It was so fun just to watch people, talk to them about everything, and I just loved it. It's so good to stay in hostels. It is the next morning. We just had some fun yesterday just watching people do their greetings, and I sat down and just spoke with a new friend of mine from America. So that's so nice just to get to know new people. Now I'm just gonna go on a free walking tour. That's gonna be good. Do something else, not to only just walk around by myself. I like that. Get to know some history and fun facts.
That does not happen here. Kids here have a very different experience on Christmas Day. They have a thing called Gaga Theo. So Theo means uncle, Gaga means the shitting uncle. And they have this log designed to look like a turd, and on the run of Christmas Day, they feed this log little pieces of food, presents are at the back of their blanket, they sing a song, hit the log, lift the blanket, and this thing literally shits out, defecates their Christmas present. That's how Christmas Day in Catalonia begins. Merry Christmas, guys.
So I just finished like the free walking tour. It's like they pick you up at the hostel like 10 o'clock and they bring you to like the place where everybody meets. So the free walking tour starts like at 11 and then you walk around for 2.5 hours with a little break in the middle. And our guide's name was Mick. He was so good, very good. Told us a lot of history, and he made it very simple and easy to understand. He spoke really loud, which means that everybody could hear him. That was amazing, because I hate when you go to like free walking tours or tours at all and you can't hear anything because they're too loud. But he was no, they're too quiet, I mean, but he was loud, and he's from Ireland, which means that he can speak English. I hate when you go to like tours where they don't speak English or the English is so bad, but he was great. So really check it out. They're like wearing red umbrellas. I don't really know what the company is, but I can try to figure out, but I really recommend it. Now I just have to go and see like the Arc de Triomphe and the Sagrada Familia, and then I think I'll just go back to the hostel, change and go to the beach if I got the time, and maybe do some laundry later. And in the evening I'll go with my American friends to the Font Magica to see the show. So I have a good day planned, and I ate a croissant earlier. That was so good. I'm really looking forward to eating a croissant in Paris. Okay, let's go. It might be like important to remember that free walking tours aren't really free, because you tip them at the end. But you tip them what you want. But he said kind of that the starting price was 10 euros. But I guess you can do whatever. Still, it was worth it. It was a good tour. Like the arch in Berlin, I feel it's like so industrial, and I'm not that fan of like industrial architecture. But that's me. That's probably why I really loved Prague, because it's so old and you get like a feeling of warmth and peace. Some people made risotto, and they had leftovers, so people can just take free risotto. That's so nice. I'm staying at a hostel. And look in here, it's so cool. Activities. I love this hostel. It's perfect. Walking to see the fountain show. And everybody got their phone up. Sangria! What everybody has to taste when they are in Spain. Hi guys, it's the morning and I'm leaving for the train station. I have to watch out. So yesterday I went out with my new American friends. We got some sangria, as you can see, and we just got back at like midnight because I had to wake up at 7:30. That's a lot later than I normally have to do on this trip, but so it was good. I had like 2 more hours of sleep, but it doesn't feel like that because because I had like a kind of bottle of sangria and I don't really drink that much, so it was enough to get me drunk, like not super drunk but drunk enough. So I'm a little bit hangover today. It's not that easy just walking here in the heat, hangover. But today I'm going to Paris, and I had a lovely stay here in Barcelona. I'm kind of glad that I didn't like that the Airbnb didn't work out,
because I had a lot of fun with all the people I met at the hostel. The hostel's name is Tyler's Hostel. It's so good. The atmosphere was so good. So I really recommend that. Now I'm just heading to the station and starting a new destination. I hope you like this video. Please give me a like and comment if you want to do that, subscribe, all of that stuff. And I'll see you in the next one.